everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'll be showing you how to make flowers using foam nets. So let's check out the way of making it. For that you'll need some foam nets. You can easily get it when you are buying fruits which is covered with this net. If you are having thick foam nets, then you will require 3 foam nets for 1 flower. And if the nets are skinny, then you'll need 4 or 5 nets. The first step is to take a foam net and cut it in through the middle. Now take 3 foam nets after cutting them and then roll them one by one together. And then take a thread or wool and tie through the middle. Now cut off any one side which is longer. The flower is ready. Now we need to take a skewer and a strip of crepe paper. Just apply some glue on the crepe paper and cover the stick through it. To make the leaves, fold the paper into half and draw a leaf pattern as shown and cut it out. To make the sepals of the flower, fold square paper 3 times and then cut out as shown. Now it's time to stick the leaves and the sepals. Now we have to shape our flower. For that I'm just taking a scissor and then just shaping out the flowers by cutting it. A beautiful chrysanthemum flower is ready. So it is easy to make, isn't it? Please do try it out and let me know how it was in the comments. Thanks a lot everyone for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Until the next video, bye.